Alright my friends, so in this video we are going to start working on the responsive navigation part. Okay, so up to this point we have wrote a lot of code that is really about this navigation that will be on larger screens, but it's time for us to break it down on responsive devices. So the first thing first that you should do, and I will do, it is to identify the width that we want to break, the width of our navigation. So let me demonstrate that here in the web browser. So the first thing first, as I said, here we have the navigation. Now what I will do, I will right click and choose inspect. Okay, now here we have the, if you do not have it like me, what you can do, you can click here on this icon right here, which will turn on the responsive mode. Okay, we can just decrease and increase the web page as we wish. Alright, so here the first thing first, as I said, we want to identify the width of the screen that we want to change. How does the navigation looks like? So in our case, what I will do, I will choose 800. Here we are gonna choose 800. Why 800? Well, of course there is no real specific reason. Feel free to choose any size that you want. So maybe some of you will choose to be 700, or some of you will go larger or smaller. Really depend on you and your navigation. For example, if we have logo here on the left side here on the top, then of course we are gonna go larger, because here we are gonna have a logo that will take some space. So that's why, for example, 800 will be a perfect choice here. All right, but in our case we do not have logo. Okay, we do not have extra content in the navigation, so that's why I will go with 800. But again, this is choosing the correct size really depend on the navigation content itself. However, after we have identified the width, which is 800, what I will do, I will go back and inside my CSS file, here on the bottom, I'm just gonna type, for example, just really any content. I'm just gonna give myself some comment so I know this is the responsive navigation part. All right, so like so. And here what I will do, I will create a media query that will change all the style at this specific width. Okay, so I'm gonna type at media. Okay, we can type screens, so we only target screens, and the max width, all right, so will be, as I said, 800 pixels, like so. And now here we are gonna start writing some CSS code. So once again, in this video we have just let's say identify the width that we want to break the navigation, and also we have created the media query. In the next video, of course, we are going to start implementing our CSS. Thank you my friends so much for watching. See you in the next one.